Okay, so here is the continuation from the question that we touched. So when chlorine gas is bubbled through potassium bromide solution in a test tube until there is no more change, then the question was write a balanced chemical equation, which we did in the first clip. So the balanced chemical equation that we did there, so it is balanced. Now the next question, they are saying the same one, write an ionic equation for the reaction. So how do we write an ionic equation? We formulate an ionic equation from the balanced chemical equation, remember? So when writing an ionic equation, we split those substances that are in aqueous solution, okay? So that are in aqueous state, okay? So this chlorine gas, it is in gas. We cannot separate it or split it. We just write it the way it is, plus then we split this. So we are going to have 2. So that 2 is for K, also for bromine. So 2 K positive plus then the same 2 for bromine, Br negative, okay? Then the arrow, we also split this since it is in aqueous, so we have 2 K positive, then the same 2 also for chlorine, 2 Cl negative plus then Br2, you see the liquid state there. So this is aqueous. So from here now, we just cancel out what is common from the left side, that is before the arrow, and what is common there with what it is common with on the right side, that is after the arrow. So here we have 2K positive, also here 2K positive. So these they are common. We cancel them. Okay, what else? So that is all that is common there. So remember, this 2 Cl negative and this Cl2, they are not common. So we write it like this: Cl2 gas plus then 2 Br negative, which is equal to 2 Cl negative plus Br2, which is gas. This is aqueous, this is aqueous. So that is our final ionic equation. So we end there. Thank you.